morning. How are you? Good, how are you? Good, how are you? Very good. I always start out visiting the location, sort of getting a feel for the surroundings. This time, for this project at Otemachi One, there was 2 different sections. One was outside and one was inside. For outside, we've done it the previous year, so I knew the location quite well. I love the place because it's just in front of the Imperial Palace. There's lots of space. There's a huge lawn that's divided into 3 different areas. The main idea for this time was really how can I use these 3 different areas to combine them to make like one installation that sort of stretches out over those 3. That's how I came up with the sort of almost like a beautiful, like a snake or a dragon or something made out of flowers in different gradation.
外側の土台の大枠の形っていうのをニコライさんにセットアップしていただいて、でそれに合わせて設置をしている感じです。高さがこの1メートルとかでこうやってるので、それをこうニコライさんのイメージだと有機的な形にこう綺麗な湾曲にしていきたいので、その形をこうつなげていくのが結構難しくて、あと高さの調整とかもそこのイメージに合わせてやっていくので、なのでそこがちょっと難しかったかなと思います。
そうですね、つなぎでこことここが湾曲できないので、なんでチキンネットで重ねて、ここにもこういうふうにポッと入っていくんですけど、この間にもこう入れてこうやってます。めちゃくちゃ暑いです。
暑いです。見てください。
暑いですね。めちゃくちゃ暑い。今まだ風がねあるからまだマシですね。もうあえて焼いていくみたいな感じにしてます。
I like his hair. It's almost the same as that one. でもあったりなかったりよね。そうです。それ違いですか？違います。I went the other day, so we go so often to the home center, right? To Super Biva to buy so many different things. So I went there, like I haven't been there for years myself, maybe 2 years, but the guy remembered me immediately. Said, "Ah, how are you doing? I haven't seen you forever." It's always this girl coming. It's like a Koshino-san.
そうなんです。かぶっちゃうんですよ。私の方が先なんですけどね。はい。
I love to do these huge outdoor venues where everyone can come and look. You know, there's not a fee neither to come and see this. You know, so I think it's a great opportunity for many people to see some of the bigger installations that we make. We are at day number 2 here at the Otemachi One Garden. It's been super hot today. We're all like sweating like crazy. We are using, I think, close to 10,000 plants. The indoor one, I wanted to create something, as I said, using preserved flowers. However, I didn't want it to be just like flower, like let's say a rose as is. I wanted to do something of one shape that would create one impactful like sculpture looking thing. And as I said, not using just regular flowers. I took rose petals in many different colors, sort of very happy sort of summer colors, and put them on these dry wines. And that's how we build up this installation. Looking at the finished work that we've done, I've been very pleased with both the outside work at the Otemachi One Garden as well as the inside at the avenue. So I was very happy with how the installation came together outside, starting in like purple, a little bit of gradation of pink coming in, becoming very dark pink, going out to more white and peach, and then going into the yellow and orange, red, and then going back into the pink again, stretching over the three areas and sort of going up and down. So there was so much going on, and I think it's such a happy summer vibe feeling to that whole outdoor installation, and I really hope that a lot of people will come and see this. It was more important for me to create a really beautiful object that could stand in this massive space, that was colorful and sort of fun to look at. It's really cool when you look at it from a distance because of the massive shape in that space, and when you come close you see all the petals that's been sort of put on one by one. Is a massive, so many hours of work have been putting into creating this sculpture. I hope that you enjoyed the works that I created at the Otemachi One Garden as well as the Otemachi One Avenue. It was really super fun for me and my team to create this installation. Thank you.